Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Clean With Me video. We're getting started straight away with the shower, and I'm just using a mop to clean the walls of the shower. I found this to be the most effective way to do things. So I'm just going to clean the shower and all the bits that come with the bathroom.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Shoulda known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me.
So now I'm going to start working on my bedroom. I'm just going to remove all of the clutter from my bed. I'm going to wipe down the side tables, and then I'm going to clear the clutter off my desk, and then I'm going to give the whole room a good vacuuming.
We could too, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
So I'm moving on to the lounge room now. I'm just going to pick up this lounge room area, set the couch straight, and then continue vacuuming and wiping down tables, surfaces, stuff like that.
No flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby,
So now I am tackling the washing. I have changed my clothes because I had to separate my cleaning into 2 times of the day. So I'm just going to put away the existing washing that was on the line, and then I'm going to put the washing that I just did on the line as well.
To your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So now I'm going to be tackling my kitchen. I'm just going to be doing all the kitchen things and cleaning that up.
Can't get a hold of my obsession. I just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up.
And finally, I am going to be mopping this hallway area of mine. And this is the last thing that I'm going to be doing for today's Clean With Me video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!